On today's webisode of LS Swap the World, Craig. Nah, my name ain't Craig. The world. It's a movie reference. All right. We're going over serpentine kits. Yay. FEADs, front end accessory drive. I don't know if that's actually what it stands for. I'm assuming it probably does, so I've always just said it. This is what I call the truck block. Literally found in everybody. Silverados, Tahoes, Sierras, Escalades, blah, blah, blah. What's going on with this one is LS3 water pump. LS1 intake. Your truck block will not fit. On a standard LS swap and a B-body, yes, the truck block works. You see that right there where the idler pulley goes? That's all off in the way. So no, unless you modify it, and I can show you a picture of how you modify it. I saw a guy online do it. I personally don't like it. That truck block isn't going to fit with the LS3 water pump. If you're using a regular truck style, it fits. Truck style intake, it fits. So what I'm going to be doing today is swapping my serpentine kit. Yay. As you can see, I've already took a couple other pieces off of here. Yeah, this has been my master plan the whole time. Truck harmonic balancer, truck spacing. LS3 water pump, truck spacing. My entire kit is truck spaced. You have 3 different kinds: Corvette, Camaro, well, Corvette, old school Camaro, and then new school Camaro / truck. All right, that's going to be the determining factor in all of your serpentine kit stuff. So go ahead, break that down, get it swapped on over here, midway point, just to show you how everything's coming together. As you know, the motor and the valve covers are orange. Well, the engine block. And oh my God, it's not a motor, it's an engine. It's a motor. I'm old school. So yeah, that's orange. Pretty much everything else blacked out. And then the accessory brackets, or the feed, is a candy gold over brushed aluminum. So we're almost done taking off the alternator power steering bracket, driver side bracket. Then I thought about something. And when it comes to bubbles, ABS module. It's in the way of the gearbox, aka it's in the way of your power steering lines. So you got 3 bolts on this one. Of course, I have it disconnected forever and a day, so it ain't secured. But you've got to loosen up the bolts to get to your lines. Now, that one in the rear is your return line. That is not a pressure hose. The one in the front, high pressure, that is the feed. I'm using a line off a 91 350 TBI Caprice. That actually bolts directly into the truck power steering pump into your gearbox. This is what goes into your gearbox. Make sure you have the O-ring. Can't stress that enough. We're gonna have to get this guy out of the way. High pressure side goes into that front one in the gearbox that looks like it has a little screen. And basically what you do is just kind of finesse it around, get it there, boom. All right. Now, because I cut the, I lost the original return line, I'm taking the return line off the other car as well. This one is not a high pressure line. I could have slid that on there better. Oh well. What we have to make it work is a bump tube adapter. So I'm going to unscrew that, screw that into here, and that'll be my return line. Yay. All right, so Again, don't lose your O-rings. Make sure there's an O-ring. And for a little bit of safety, I'm going to put some Teflon tape on there. So that's how you hook up the lines. Of course, your return line just goes there, and it just has a fitting on it. Well, a clamp, not a fitting, my bad. Yeah, clamp it down on there, bam. And my truck feed serpentine kit is now installed. Still gotta put the power steering pulley on, but I've got the lines, high pressure and low pressure, hooked up. And I'm just gonna keep talking like you don't see that see-through alternator right there. Amazing, ain't it? Yeah, I just wanted to see how it was gonna look. My fuel rails came in. I've got to, I know I just combined two words all at once. Yay. Yeah, I've got to get this line remade because I want to tuck it under the intake instead of on top. It just looks, you know what I'm saying, like awkward, just poking up like that. So where we're going to stop it for today. I hope this made sense to you about feeds, serpentine kits, accessory drives, whatever you want to call them. Bye!